Hey everybody, I'm Joe. Joining me today is David Ayler, our Vice President for Active Safety here at IIHS, to talk through some ratings for the 2023 Toyota Prius. So this vehicle is one of our latest Top Safety Pick Plus models. David, it performed really well on the crash worthiness side, but how did it do on the crash avoidance side of things?
Yeah, this vehicle performed really well. It got superior ratings in both our day and night pedestrian tests. It also got an acceptable rating in our headlight test.
Tell us a little bit about the daytime scenarios that we run and how the vehicle performed.
Yeah, so we have 3 scenarios during the day. We have a crossing adult, we have a stationary adult, and we also have a crossing child. We run those with the vehicle traveling at 12 and 25 and 37 miles per hour, and it avoided in all of those scenarios.
The nighttime scenarios I know have been a lot more challenging for many vehicles. How did the Prius do?
Yeah, so it is much more challenging. At night, we have 2 adult scenarios. We have the crossing adult and we have the stationary. And we perform those with both the low and high beams on the vehicle. And it avoided in all the scenarios except the higher speed low beam. So when the vehicle was traveling 37 miles per hour, it still had impact, but it was able to mitigate much of the speed. So it still did quite well.
On the headlight side of things, we evaluate headlights outside, at night, in the dark, to see how well they perform in a variety of scenarios. How did it do?
It did well at illuminating sort of down the road in curves and straightaways, and also limiting glare for oncoming vehicles. So again, an acceptable rating, did quite well.